3 inventions that are made by me and they are working great. Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a presentation of my older projects, and these 3 of them are power banks. Let's start. Okay, let's start with my oldest power bank, and this is my favorite. It has so many functions, and before explaining what can do, let me tell you that in description below for all 3 of them I will put links with full DIY videos or tutorial how to make them. Let's start with this one. Check this out. It has a LED indicator for voltage indication and amps. From side I have 2 switches for turning on and off the device, and the second switch is for the LEDs. I have placed 3 big LEDs that you can turn it on with the switch or with the push switch. It says LED. Not to forget to mention that this thing is running for almost 3 years. And also I have a banana plugs with 12 volts DC output here, negative and positive. Also banana plugs for output voltage 5 volts, positive and negative. For charging this thing, you're gonna need to charge with BMS, balanced charging. I also have a USB that gives 5 volts. It has a wood frame with transparent plastic sheets from top and back. I have 3 lithium batteries inside connected in serial so they can give 12 volts. All the marks for the letters are made with the soldering iron that I burned the wood. The transparent plastic or the plexiglass, it's a little bit damaged here, and this is the USB discharger made with 2 old light bulbs. I'm gonna plug in. The light bulbs are turned on, and here we can see that this discharger is pulling 1.35 amps. Great. Full video in description below. Here it is, the second power bank, a homemade power bank, and it's a little bit weird design. It's made from PVC tube with PVC plastic on top and bottom. We have 2 banana plugs, positive and negative, master switch on off, and here we have a car output gadget that shows the voltage and the amps, and also giving a USB output voltage 5 volts. Here I have 12 volts. Through these banana plugs I can charge the power bank, and let's turn it on. Great green color on the display. It says 11.1 volts. Let's test that with the multimeter. .2 volts. What it says? 11.1. Great. I'm also test with the USB discharger here, just to see that it's work. Yep, it's working great as always. And this little display, I like it very much. full video how to make it in description below. And the third one, power bank. It's made completely from wood. It have a more capacity with 18650 batteries inside, around 10 amps. And this special function is that have LED lighting from all sides. These plastic pieces are made by me, and when you turn it on, take a look. I use Piranha LEDs. Okay. Here I have a 12 volts output. Also on this DC jack I have 12 volts output, and through these banana plugs I charge the power bank. Inside there is a BMS board for controlled charging the LiPo batteries, and this push switch, when you press it, it shows the voltage of the battery. It says 10.6 volts. Also, this one is a good power bank and completely made by me. All three of them are working great. 10.7 volts. And if you like to watch the full video how to make them, just visit the links below. And this video was only to show you what I make for my workshop. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.